All right. Hi again, everybody. Toby Milroy here, Vice President for AMS, and thanks so much for taking a moment to watch this quick video. I'm really excited today to talk to you about a new feature release for Atlas Martial Arts software. As you know, we're constantly upgrading and updating Atlas, and in fact, you may not know, but we're actually behind the scenes at Atlas headquarters. We're doing like nightly builds. We're building new features and new functionality literally every day and pushing those into a quality assurance environment, and then we're releasing these updates typically about every week or so, sometimes every couple of weeks, into production. So I'm sure you're seeing small changes here and there in Atlas Martial Arts software, and lots of cool new enhancements that you can use in your school and that you can use to help grow your school. And today I'm really excited to talk about one as it applies to our calendar and confirming appointments and things like that. So the first thing I'd like to point out is, again, we so appreciate all of the great feedback that we're getting and all the feature requests, all of the great support and sort of camaraderie we're getting with our users. I have conversations every day on the telephone and every day in our coaching meetings with cool feature requests that our users are making, how we can make the software even easier to use than it currently is, and how we can make the software help you operate your school at a higher level each and every day. So we really appreciate that. And I'd like to point out quickly today, if you look at on the left-hand navigation in the Atlas support section, there is a suggest a feature item here, and that's in our support community. That will take you over to the support community, and you can post a feature request there. And we really do appreciate it. Many of the feature requests that we've been talking about over the last few weeks have been requested by our members that came from you, and we've built them right into Atlas. So we're really excited about that. Obviously, we can't accommodate everything, and obviously we can't build everything immediately, but we're really excited when we're able to add these enhancements to the software short-term and long-term. So for today, let's talk about the calendar. This is our appointment calendar. I'm going to go to the big calendar. You can use this on the widget just the same on the dashboard. It doesn't make any difference. It's literally the same page. And I think I have a test appointment here a couple weeks ago that I set up that I wanted to use. Yeah, so let's say, for example, today is Monday, just as an argument, and here's my appointment at 9 a.m. for a demo, for example, or an intro, for an example. And one of the feature requests was from this screen, I wanted to be able to look at the appointment and to be able to look at the attendees of the appointment and quickly communicate and connect with them. Maybe show me their phone number and their email address so I don't have to go search for them inside of Atlas again and then send them an email separately or whatever the case might be. Now, obviously, appointments are getting the automatic emails. They're getting the automated sequence. But, what if I got to the school today and I wanted to make sure I sent them an extra reminder? Or maybe I had to postpone the intro and I wanted to send them a text message or an email quickly to remind them or to notify them that we had a snowstorm and the school might be closed tonight or whatever the case might be. So what you can do is from this section, from the calendar or the calendar widget on the dashboard, you can click the appointment and it brings up all the appointment details, the time, the date, whether it's a trial or not, these types of things. And then you see here we have the attendees, the people who are going to be attending the appointment. And these are going to be, typically they'll be prospects. If it's an appointment for like an upgrade or something like that, they might be students. But you'll see the attendees listed in this box. And then now we have this little button right above this that says attendee contact information. So if you click that, what it'll do will invoke this little modal where we'll actually show you all the phone numbers that we have on file for them and their email address if we have that on file. And we're also giving you the speed access buttons that you've seen on student profiles and on list views and things like that. So if you wanted to send this person a text message, so for example, this person doesn't have an email address, but they do have a mobile number, so I could click this little texting widget here and it will give me my text area. My texting widget button. So now I can send them a quick little, hey, we're closed, or I don't know, maybe it'll be great to see you at 9, whatever, something like that. And I can click send message, and I've just now sent a quick text message off to that person. Or again, I could just look at this and copy their email if I wanted to, or copy their mobile number, dial it on my phone. Again, on email, if they have an email address, I can click the little email button. And again, I get my email pop-up where I can shoot them off a quick email and quickly send them whatever message it was that I was looking for. So again, this is a very cool feature. I think this feature came by request of Anissa Rodriguez, and it was also thumbed up in the feature request area by I think 7 or 8 other users. So that let us know that this isn't just a request from one person. This is something that a lot of people would find very useful. So we're very excited about being able to build this into Atlas and getting it out to you so you can use it. So thank you, Anissa, for that suggestion, and thanks everybody else for all the great feature requests and suggestions that you've sent us. And we're really excited and looking forward to getting more and more of them built into Atlas martial arts software. So thanks so much. Look forward to seeing you soon.